Welcome to this video. Today I have the new Galaxy S21 and we are going to unbox it together. Let's go! This is the box that it comes in. As you can see, I got the purple gold one, which I thought was the cutest one out of all of them, and the box is still sealed. Do we have in the box? We have another box, yay! In the back we have a little thingy to be able to switch the SIM card out, and then inside we got a cord to charge it, and I guess some instructions that nobody really reads. The charging cord that we got is a USB-C, and as you can see, the port on here is also a USB-C. This is actually my first Samsung in quite some time, quite a couple years. I've been using Apple for a long time and I love Apple, but it has been messing up a lot on me lately, so I decided to try this one for work and see how that goes. So let me know if you have any more questions for me in the comments. Actually, the comments are right there. Thank you. And I will see you in the next video. Bye!